Hey, what's up guys? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, when you subscribe to my channel, you're going to get a chance to win some free money every time I receive 1,000 new subscribers to my channel. So all you have to do is make sure you subscribe to my channel, watch my videos all the way to the very end, like all my videos, and make sure you drop this comment, hashtag get your grind on. And once I receive that 1,000 new subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick a comment and that person is going to win the free money via PayPal. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money, please subscribe now. Don't miss out. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $1,000 in PayPal money again and again. Now, if you're new to my channel, do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel and it helps out this video. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions, concerns, or opinions on what I'm talking about today in this video. Now, this is a brand new method that I came across, and it's free to start. You don't need any money to start, and it's available worldwide. Let me know if it's not when you check it out, but from my knowledge, it's available worldwide. And all you need is a computer and a laptop and an internet connection, and you're all set, ready to go. All right, so guys, please watch this all the way to the very end, because I don't want you to miss any of this information, guys. So watch it all the way to the very end. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it, grind family. All right, I'm at this website, and the name of this website is kickbooster.me. So it says here, get more pledges with Kickbooster. Kickbooster is the first and only tool made specifically for crowdfunders to manage their affiliate, referral, and influencer network all in one place. So what you're going to be doing here and on this website is here, you're going to be helping people that have projects out there. They're trying to get it out, because websites like Kickstarter and Indiegogo, they help promote people that have different inventions or projects or things of that nature, try to get that out and try to get people to invest in their project. So the same goes with this website, but the only difference is you're going to get paid for helping these companies or these individuals get their project out there for people to invest. So, they're going to be raising money. So once you come to this website, you're going to go ahead and click on affiliate marketers. First you're going to sign up. So you're going to come to this page and sign up, become a booster. And then the second thing is absolutely free. Then the second thing you're going to do is browse through the marketplace of hundreds of campaigns. And then you're going to spread the word. So you're going to share your unique booster links or codes with your network and start earning commissions for your referrals. So let's just scroll down here and read a little bit more. So make money by sharing the projects you love. When you find a project that you or someone you know will love, you talk about it. Kickbooster makes it easy to get paid for sharing your favorite projects with your network. So they're going to pay you to share their project. Now, it can be all different amounts that you're going to get paid. And I'm going to show you in a minute. So pick the campaigns that you love to promote. When you sign up with Kickbooster, you instantly gain access to all the campaigns listed in the marketplace page. You can easily see the reward each campaign is offering and how many days are left in the campaign. So let's just click right there where it says visit marketplace. So it takes you to this page here. And as you can see, they have these are the staff picks. So I'm just gonna, for the sake of this video, I'm gonna go ahead and click on one of the staff picks. And as you can see, they're with Kickstarter. This one is with Kickstarter. This one was with Indiegogo. This one was with Indiegogo. See, now they've raised $96,538 of the $50,000. So what you're going to do is just click on here where it says boost this campaign. Let's go to this one right here. Let's go to another one. I'm actually going to go to one I like. So let's go to this one. I'm going to click on there. And it's going to say earn 10% cash back for helping us spread the word. So help boost the campaign. You go ahead and sign in right there. And this is the project. So be rewarded with 10% commission for every dollar you raise for our campaign. All you have to do is click the button and register as a booster. Share your unique booster link on Facebook, Twitter, blog, or website, or whatever you like. Refer your Kickbooster dashboard and watch your commissions roll in. So that's all you have to do, guys. Once you sign up, you're going to get this link to this project right here. And you just go on your Facebook account, Twitter account, go on blogs, and if you have your own website, share that link. Encourage people to check it out. And for every dollar that they raise from people that clicked on your link, you're gonna get 10% commission. So this is a good deal. And you'll be helping somebody that's trying to create something that's useful to the world, or that you like. So one more thing. How you're going to get paid is through PayPal. So you have to have a PayPal account to get paid doing this method, working on this website. So if you guys are ready to go ahead and start making money with this website, just go to kickbooster.me. All right, that's all I have for this video. Please, before you leave, don't forget to hit that like button and help me to get like 100 likes. That's all I ask, just 100 likes. It's gonna help out this video and help out my channel if I can get 100 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions, concerns, or opinions on this video. And don't forget to type #GetYourGrind because I'm almost there, guys. I'm almost there to making 3,000 subscribers. Once I get there, somebody's gonna be a lucky winner. So make sure you put #GetYourGrind in the comment section and share this everywhere, all around the internet, on all social media platforms, because I want to help everybody I can. I want to share this information with everybody because everybody needs to know how to make this money online. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. All right, guys. Thank you again for tuning in. I am going to do some shout outs. If you drop a comment, I'll give you a shout out. I haven't seen one that was real creative yet. So get creative on your comments, along with #GetYourGrind and I'm gonna choose that comment and shout you out in my video. It might be the next video or video after that. So you gotta keep on watching, guys. All right, that's it. Thanks again. Hold up. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Deuces.
Get your grind on, yeah. Get your grind on, yeah. Get your grind on, yeah.